When approached by the Red Bull people, he thought about it for about 18 months before he agreed to attempt to build this awesome machine. Normally, a helicopter is restricted to positive G flight. That's because the rotors are very flexible. And if you think about it, and it's just almost upside down right there, when the aircraft is upright, the skids point towards the earth and the rotors are above it. But when it goes upside down, the skids point towards the sky, and right there, the rotors are floating. The problem is the rotors flex, and there's a potential for the flex of the rotors to literally tuck the tail. Sort of gives a whole new meaning to the word chopper, huh?
Without a doubt right there. However, again, much in the way that Peter Besnier innovated the air race, this guy right here, Chuck Heron, innovated that aircraft, and that's why he's the only pilot in North America that's licensed to fly in this pattern right here, doing it in that Red Bull 105. And again, Chuck Heron, talk about a guy who loves his job.